Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY your own flax seeds and aloe vera gel for defined health growing hair. If you're watching me for the first time or you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. So let's get straight to the video. For this, you're going to need aloe vera plant. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E as well. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also included. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E. The nutrient promotes healthy scalp by reducing any damage. It helps improve circulation in the head, promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. Rosemary essential oil is a common hair growth treatment but with less scalp itching as a side effect. Then we're gonna need some type of container, and make sure you choose a glass one with a lid on it. I start by cutting the ends of the leaf off because we don't need this part. And you wanna do this. You wanna carefully cut the rest of the outside off because the gel is inside. I'm going to go ahead, scrape the inside and put my aloe vera gel into my small bowl. Here is my aloe vera gel I got from 2 leaves. So here you can as well use your blender to blend it or just whisk it, whatever works for you. Pour 1 cup of water into the pot over the stove along with 1/3 of a cup of flax seeds. Now it's time to turn the stove on, and I like to usually put it on medium, so I'm just gonna start by putting on number 5. As you can see, it's still not ready yet. The goal is to get thick consistency. So approximately 8 to 10 minutes you should do the check. Now you can see how it has thickened. So go ahead, take it out of the stove and let it aside. Let it sit for some few minutes for it to cool down. So now I'm just gonna start off and I'm gonna pour it into the strainer. Add my aloe vera gel and then go ahead, squeeze gently until I get most of the gel. So guys, this is our gel. Now go ahead, add some few drops of your essential oil. But this step is optional. If you don't like essential oils, feel free not to use them. I'm just a big fan of essential oils. So you can store this gel in your fridge for about a week. Wash your hair with your favorite shampoo and then apply your gel. Massage your hair to make sure the gel penetrates very well inside. And then let your hair dry. So that's pretty much it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. I will see you in my next one.